All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Ford Focus. It is the SE hatchback, this beautiful charcoal gray with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, 41,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing here. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes. Oh, does have a little burn mark right there. Boom, less than a quarter inch. That's about it. Let me jump into this vehicle. Does come with 2 key fob combos and your owner's quick guide. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's obviously working. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 41,791. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Things are clean. Turn on the lights. Boom. Keeping it moving. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty nice. Rear lift gate here looks pretty good. Here's a rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then I tucked away your reference guide. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim, rear passenger rim, sorry, and your tire thread is over 730 seconds, actually at 8. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your fender here looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, front passenger rim. Very nice LC curbing here either. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights, all working, car is on. Things are good, folks. Once again, a 2016 Ford Focus SE model, hatchback SE model with 41,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.